artist on stage. The artist is a real revolutionary. I want heap of mission the higher trod with. Trod in as even a member of parliament, you know. May I tell you them. From outside the royal trodding of Uganda, me tell you them. In a way them call Wakiso district. Rough and rugged like any garrison around here. I don't want to hear them take it simple. I want to get up. On some fire. We have some flag. I listen last year, govern and rule. Rebel salute. Welcome on stage. In a Grizzlies Plantation Cove. Real revolutionary. Bobby Wine. Axe Red. Such an honor to be with you tonight, brothers and sisters. Dance! Right. To the people watching back home, whenever travel Uganda, Africa, this one goes to you. Let me give them some African dancehall like we do it back home. Are you ready? Mama, you're gonna do me the Mikwano Jange. I want you to know the music Kwange. Whatever can be my pesa. Remember, we don't music in the money. Come to me, then I go out of it. I want to make a good music. I will never just give out the one. You are coming. I said, better. Nakote pene kwata no lo papolanga na motine panika kana kayimba jagala kagendeli bona abajagala na batanja gade yo yenze bad Bobby Wine yenze bad Bobby Wine yenze bad Bobby Wine. You are police. Greetings, brothers and sisters. My name is Bobby Wine, a.k.a. Chagulanyi Sentamu original name, a.k.a. Ghetto President, a.k.a. Uganda's next president. Yeah! And the last one is serious, by the way, very serious. I come from Uganda, a.k.a. Wakanda, a.k.a. the Pearl of Africa, a.k.a. the Garden of Eden. And I bring love and blessings, but most importantly, I bring a message of freedom to all the Africans and all the black people and all humanity all over the world. That's the fire. Yeah. Freedom comes to those who fight, not to those who cry. But the more you cry, the more your people continue to die. So rise, free yourself. I don't know why the corruption is too much. Why the price of electricity is too high. Why the price of education is too much. Can't you see the tribalism? Listen, I would like to communicate. Listen, my brother. See, I would like to communicate about the things that we have to eliminate, the ignorance and poverty to eradicate. All our ghetto people, them to educate. Don't you try to politicize. Don't say Bobby Wine him criticize. Sensitize, me sensitize. Cause I know my people must realize the most important thing that truly better begins in your mindset. To free Africa, they must educate. But education is expensive to get. It's like you say we carry water in a basket. I don't know why the corruption is too
the next song, you know. Now this song, I'm sending to everybody, whatever you can do, especially all over the world. We have to be united. The world is facing similar challenges. It will not only take the politicians, it will not only take the musicians, it will not only take the students or the professionals, it is going to take all of us. Where you see wrong, use what you have. If you're a journalist, put a light there, highlight the injustice. Let us all unite and do what we have. We should be united forces of change. The only way we are going to get a liberation. United forces of change. Africa must come together as one. Again, united forces of change. Everybody must come together around one. We should be united forces of change. Africa must come. Listen, my people complaining night and day. They wonder why we continue to live this way. But I know that things can change someday. If we really want it to change anyway. Africa is a land of abundance. But the African living in the patience. The leaders want like presidency. Must abandon those silly tendencies. Africa rich but the Africa poor. Because the leaders them drunk on power. They run nation like family affair. The citizens suffer but they don't care. United forces of change. The only way we are going to get a liberation. United forces of change. Talking to them now. United forces of change. Alright, balance. Allow me to put off my jacket so I can show off my African fashion. Oh no, no, United forces of change. I continue to appeal to all of you brothers and sisters. I am here because of the inspiration that I got while I was growing up from this stage. I always longed to stand on this stage and say something because in the ghetto where I come from, we look at the Rebel Salute stage as a UN, as a United Nations stage. I grew up watching Sting, watching Reggae Sound Splash, and those performances and the statements that were being made on the stage inspired me and many millions of young men and women back home. So when you're looking at me, you're only looking at a very small percentage of who we are. I'm only a representation of a part of Africans who we are. So we would really love to connect so much. Ladies and gentlemen, this time around I came with my brother Nubian Lee. The last time I came to Jamaica, Nubian Lee and myself are artists but also revolutionary. He's one of the few artists that refused to be bought, to compromise his values of justice and equality and equal rights and freedom for everybody in Uganda. The last time I wasn't able to come with him because he needed a visa to go through either Europe or America. So I think as we move forward, we should also think of better ways to connect. I wish there were many Bobby Wines coming to Jamaica. I wish there were many millions of men and women connecting through trade, through culture, through music and everything. Africa is going to unite not only physically but also psychologically, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah man, it was in 1920 when the great Marcus Mosiah Garvey said there must be repatriation. I believe today in 2020, 100 years later, he was the promise and our generation must be the fulfillment. Let us connect, connect. Whether you are you feeling nice? We should be united forces of change. The all of us must come together as one. United forces of change. Africa must come together and my people complaining night and day. They wonder why they continue to live this way. But I know that things can change, really. They can change. If you really want them to change, you know, Africa is a land of abundance. Pull up. Give me a next tune, man. Looks like we're running out of time. Every time I'm with you, I wish I could have 5 hours. Are you feeling irate? Hey. Let me dance in a Jamaican time I come to Jamaica, I want to have a Jamaican feel. Give me a bad Jamaican rhythm. Give me a real bad Jamaican rhythm. You see me? All right. Dance it, dance it. Alright, let me give you some African DJ style. Are you feeling alright? Alright. I am this bad man from Cambodia. Everything with me I do is on Cambodia. And I'm dead and made in Cambodia. Everything with me I do is all Cambodia. I am this bad man from Africa. I come from Africa. I am this bad man from Africa. Everything with me I do is all Africa. And I'm dead and made in Africa. So on me that Africa. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's always a pleasure. I must remember to assert that it's a big opportunity, and every time I get such an opportunity, I want to communicate a message. Ladies and gentlemen, we get a following because the young people love to be educated through entertainment. And that is why I must salute Tony Rebo for giving a platform for edutainment. Give me some vibe now. Yeah. Play that. Put up. Let me say something. If I don't use this opportunity to communicate the world, I won't get another opportunity. Many of you must have seen very miserable pictures of black people killed by black people in South Africa because they are so-called foreigners. Ladies and gentlemen, nobody is a foreigner in Africa, especially if you're African. It was not an African initiative to divide Africa in borders. We connect by blood, by spirit, by brotherhood. So, we reject xenophobia, we reject segregation among black people. Black people are all sons and daughters of Africa, so they must not kill each other. If you cannot kill a person of a different color in Africa, it is a shame that you kill a brother, your fellow black man, simply because they come from a different country. So give me that vibe and let us keep this shit. Hating a fellow black person. We want the xenophobia, reject the xenophobia. How can I be a foreigner in Africa? We want the xenophobia, reject the xenophobia. How can I be a foreigner in Africa? Spirit of the unite. Oh, no. African humanity, now only Muto, black man deserve dignity, unity and solidarity. I'm a grandson of Shinto, show me some hospitality. I could be your distant cousin, we are born of the same bone, cut from the same cloth. African people, we are one and the same. How do you consider Tumala your brother? Why don't we live alongside one another? Hakuna Matata, life would be better. of dignity, unity and solidarity. I'm a grandson of Pinto. Show me some hospitality. I could be your distant cousin. We are born from the same bond, cut from the same cloth. African people, we are one and the same. Show me love. How do you consider to murder your brother? Why can't you live alongside one another? Life could be better. Hakuna Matata. Mama Africa could be better.
We got the xenophobia. Reject the xenophobia. How can I be a foreigner in Africa? We got the xenophobia. Reject the xenophobia. How can I be a foreigner in Africa?
We ban the xenophobia.
We reject the xenophobia. How can I be a foreigner in Africa? We ban the xenophobia. Reject the xenophobia.
Big up all the leaders that continue to teach fellow black people to love each other. Big up the greatest Mosiah Marcus Garvey. Big up Bob Marley. Big up all the artists that continue to teach in the past, in the present, and in the future. The little we can do, we must do in our lifetime. If we are to achieve, we must achieve in our lifetime. If we are to connect, we must connect in our lifetime. If we are to teach, we can teach in our lifetime. In whichever way we do it, we should have confidence to do it, because without confidence, you're twice defeated, but with confidence, you win even before you start. Big up to the lessons we continue to get. Oh, na, na, na. Now, ladies and gentlemen, because I cannot perform in my own country, because my concerts are abolished, and because I have to fly so many hours away from home to get the opportunity to step on stage, because singing is all I know and ghetto is all I know, and I'm only a conduit to communicate that. But because I can't get that home, I give thanks to the Almighty that in 2020 at least there's a possibility to connect. Millions are watching back home, and I know you're watching. But I'm Jamaica. And let me use this opportunity to say this to you, young people of Uganda, the young men and women. It was 19th of October 1962 when our nation was born, beautiful and endowed with the promise of democracy. With unity in diversity, all of us, all of them on a mission to build a nation that will make life better to the next generation. Well, we are that generation. We are the grandchildren of the independence generation. We are the grandchildren of the Marcus Garvey generation. And we are the grandparents of the future generation. So we must, within ourselves, find solutions. Since our leaders don't seem to care about the next generation, all they care about is the next general election.
Uganda, Uganda, you sleep in mama land. Wake up, mama land. Uganda, Uganda, you sleep in mama land. Wake up, mama land.
We are the country, we are the future, we are the changing body. We are the youngest population in the world.
We stand a chance.
We are the leaders of the future, and the future is today. If we only come together, we can change our destiny.
Uganda, Uganda, you sleep in mama land. Wake up, Mama Land. Oh my, Uganda, Africa, you sleepy Mama Land. Wake up, Mama Land. Good night, night, night.
We are the continent, the future, the change we badly need. We are the youngest population in the world.
Is not a chance.
We are the leaders of the future, and the future is
Today,
if we only come together, we can change our destiny. Blessed love, blessed love. Yeah, man. The little we can do, we have to do. Big up all the home people, all the African people, all the Jamaican people, brothers and sisters. It's always an opportunity to spread the message of freedom. So dance that vibe. This is the message to the government. Expressing what's exactly what
Whoa.
was trying. Let me sing and they understand.
we are fighting for freedom. We are fighting for freedom.
I say
We are fighting for freedom. We are fighting for freedom.
We are fighting for
Freedom.
Let me say this. We are living in a time similar to the one of slave trade. This oppression is worse than apartheid. The gun is the master and the citizens slave. The pearl of Africa is bleeding. Question, what was the purpose of the liberation when we got... Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, every time I talk about the wrongs that are going on, it's not that I'm trying to downplay the achievements. There are so many achievements that have been achieved all the years. But this intention is to call upon the young people to reject the identity that is being painted of the African, of the Ugandan. We are living in a country of great potential and we must use it. And if a leader in 2020 treats his citizens like the colonialists treated us, that is worse, because a colonialist in a black skin is worse. Ladies and gentlemen, it is only 10 days ago that I came out of jail. Only 10 days ago. Why? Because I say a ghetto youth can be president of a country. I don't apologize for that.
Straight.
From the ghetto to the world.
Straight.
So the reason I use music is not only to change Uganda, but to also change the mindset and understanding and the estimate of music. You are powerful. Your word is powerful, because there's a great writer in my country who said, we the artists are the mirrors of society. I'm only trying to reflect what is in Uganda. So, continue to reflect everything. We benefit as Africa, as the world, as humanity, from all of you artists that inspire us. But this is what is the ghetto youth in Uganda is going through. We are fighting for freedom. Listen. We are living in a time similar to the one of slave trade. This oppression is worse than apartheid. The clan is the master and the citizens slave. The pearl of Africa is bleeding. Question, what was the purpose of the liberation if we can't have a peaceful transition? What is the purpose of the constitution when the government disrespect the constitution? Where is my freedom of expression when you judge me because of my expression? What is my freedom of expression when you jail me because of my expression? What is my freedom of expression when I can't perform in my own country? What is my freedom of expression when I can't sing in my own country? What you're doing to our nation, what are you teaching the future generation? See what you're doing to the continent, what are you teaching the future generation? See our leaders become misleaders, and see our mentors become tormentors. Freedom fighters become dictators. They look at the youth and say, I say,
We are fighting for freedom.
Jamaica, Zimbabwe,
We are fighting for freedom. Fighting for freedom.
Blessed. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my second time to come to Rebel Salute. I cannot express how thankful I am. So on my behalf and on behalf of the people home, we love you and wish you a Happy New Year. But please also pray for us in whatever faith that you pray. But most importantly, look out for us. Keep your eyes on Africa. Not only Uganda, but on Africa. The Africa should be of great interest to you, our brothers and sisters in the diaspora. You should pay attention to Africa. We also look up to you. We love you. We want to connect with you. We want to be brothers and sisters in reality. Again, we should make sense of the 400 years later. We should make sense of the 100 years later. Thank you very much. We love you. We will continue to advocate for connecting with you. We will continue to advocate for the unity. We don't need visas. I don't need a visa to go from my African country to the next African country. And that is all part of our struggle. And then I'll tell to you, my brothers and sisters, that when this struggle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown. We shall wear the victor's crown. We shall wear the victor's crown. When the struggle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown in a new Africa. Thank you very much. People power, our power.
Yeah. Yeah, Bobby Wine. Yes, I. Yeah, man. Make some noise, I. Rastafari when I Rebel Salute in the morning. Yeah. Well, you so ready for the next artist? Yeah, man. Yeah, them ready? Ready for the next artist in the nice school morning, yeah. Right, I know me I tell you, say, marvelous, marvelous entertainer. Beautiful sounds of the voice. Hey, man, I tell you this, you know. I want to tell you how them say. The camera persons if you miss no equipment when you check out the side stage. You see? I would do a Rebel Salute. I have someone say, you know we are far right. Come on and lion pan them thing there. You have some man a piece of now watch them man, you know. You watch them. Them a run in. You know, I say, yeah man, go easy. Yeah man. And you have a piece of now watch them and I want, you know. Wash off them hand by your hand. Yeah. I watch them, you know. I'm not talking about the stuff far right, you know. The ones are coming. Fire. Yeah. Yeah, man. You see him? Ready now. The next artist want to stay.